Hi, today in front of me HardReset 6 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first open the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner, go to the settings and tap to voice section, then click to voice match and to activate Hey Google option. We should wait a couple of seconds. Okay, one more time, voice match. And we'll see here Hey Google switcher. Just tap once on the switcher and after that click to next, to yes I agree in the right down corner, to continue. Not now. And you'll see here that the Hey Google option successfully activated. And if you want to retain your voice model assistant to recognize your voice, you should click here to voice model, retain voice model, and after that just repeat after the assistant, tap to finish, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.